14 states in the US are suing TikTok for designing an app they say addicts and harms children. And as part of that case, TikTok disclosed a lot of internal documents. References to them are supposed to have been redacted, blacked out like this. But when the case documents were filed in Kentucky, there was an error. That meant that the text under the blacked out sections could be copy and pasted out of the documents, revealing what was hidden. The documents were quickly removed from public view by the US courts, but Primetime was able to obtain them and examine them. They quote internal TikTok communications, briefings and research reports that discuss a lot of the issues TikTok has been criticised for in recent years. One document references data on the amount of concerning content which leaks past the moderation process. According to the TikTok document referenced, around 36% of normalization of paedophilia content leaked through to users without being moderated or removed. In the category called sexual solicitation of minors, 33% leaked through, while 39% of physical abuse of minors content and half of glorification of minor sexual assault also leaked into users' feeds. If that wasn't enough, another internal document warns unmoderated or incorrectly moderated videos can spread widely before being caught. Self-harm and suicide-related videos that were incorrectly passed through the initial moderation stages were viewed an average of 75,000 times before being removed. The files also show how senior TikTok executives were aware of the addictive nature of the app and the potential mental health impact on young users. An internal TikTok report is quoted as saying compulsive usage correlates with a slew of negative mental health effects. These include loss of analytical skills, memory formation, contextual thinking, conversational depth, empathy, and increased anxiety. Publicly, TikTok points to safety features, which it says help address concerns about the radicalization of users, exposure to dangerous content, and the amount of time young people spend on the app. But internal communications shows some of these safety features were not actually expected to have that much impact. The filings say prompts sent to users to consider taking a break from scrolling the app after more than an hour reduced the average time teens spent on TikTok per day from approximately 108.5 minutes to approximately 107 minutes. In response to questions about this from Primetime, TikTok said it is highly irresponsible to publish information that is under a court seal. This complaint cherry-picks misleading quotes and takes outdated documents out of context to misrepresent our commitment to community safety. All of this comes as TikTok, which has its EU headquarters in Dublin, is facing an investigation from the European Commission regarding the protection of minors. Regulators here in Ireland and Europe will likely be watching closely as these US cases play out.